Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for your support. I now have more than 1k subscribers, which means I now have more than 1k supporters. Thanks again. Moving on. So today's video is all about the desktop COVID-19 tracker. So I have made this using a Raspberry Pi and a 7-inch HDMI touchscreen LCD. I have used PyQt for GUI library and COVID-19 Pi API. Thanks a lot to those guys who have made this API available for us. So you can see this confirmed cases number, deaths number. These numbers are total in number, and keyword, this number is actually per day data, and we can get local data. Local means local data by country code. So BD is the country code of Bangladesh, as like as IN for India. This is the total number of confirmed cases, then deaths, and keyword. As this can be put in any disks, I have added digital clock with weekdays and dates so that it can be worth looking at, so that people can look at it. My goal is, if I place it in a desk where everybody of my family can see it, they will see the numbers, and if the numbers add up, that will trigger their consciousness to be aware. But I hope these numbers don't add up anymore, please. Sorry that I couldn't show you how I made this, but I have written a blog post on how I made this, and how to install libraries, and how to set up Raspberry Pi with and how to make this entirely. The code is available on GitHub, so you can download it from there. The link is in the description. That's it for today. Stay safe and stay creative. Live and let live. Thank you.